these are the tires that come off the truck. There are no new updates, except for lots of mud. But this video is more or less for Corvair Wild. If you know anyone, or if you want some 31, 10, 50, 15s, I have 5 of them. $100. And my parents finally got home. That's what they drive. 2010 Freightliner Cascadia. Now look at these tires. I know some people that would be watching this video now would definitely want these damn tires. They are, let's see, where does it say it at?
445 50 R22 and a half.
455 millimeters by 50, 22 and a half inch rims. With a Detroit DD15, 495 horsepower. Kind of crappy for something this big, but that gets the job done. U.S. Express, Chattanooga. I spent 9 years of my life on one of these things. I mean, just give you a comparison of how big these back tires are. There's my hand at the edge of the tire. And me standing next to the tire. That right there is about my waistline. Exactly 13 feet tall. Well, I think this is actually more like 13, 4.5. With automatic adjustable suspension. And believe it or not, although most semi-trucks have drum brakes, this has big disc brakes. I mean, look at the caliper on that. And then look at the piston. Holy shit. See if I can get my hand down in there. Well, not really, but there's no light anyway. I'm talking about a fifth wheel. Yeah, that's big. Or a big-ass drive shaft. Twin 130-gallon fuel tanks. Freightliner. If you're wondering what that says up there, beware of attack frog. My mom loves frogs. And instead of fender mirrors, like if any of you happen to be truckers or no truckers or used to be a truck driver, there are no more fender mirrors on U.S. Express trucks. They use fender cams made by Voyager. They work pretty good. But again, Mr. Corvair Wild, if you know anyone that needs any 31, 10, 50, 15s anytime you're coming down the East Coast, somewhere around the northern neck of Virginia, off of Highway 360, give me a PM. Anyway, I think that's all for now. Other than this monstrosity sitting in my driveway at 22,000 pounds compared to my 6,000 pound pickup truck. Alright, y'all. Shop dog out.